Bonjour et bienvenue à Easy French. Well, do you know how to say what is on the left or what is on the right in French? Well, these are the prepositions. Yes, we are going to learn about prepositions in French in this video. Well, what are prepositions? You know, prepositions are the words which actually helps us uh, to identify different directions or the location or the placements like on, above, under, in, and so on, etc. So let's start with some of the basic prepositions. Sur, sur, on, S-U-R, sur, on. Sue, sue, although it's exactly like sur, the pronunciation is that it's a little different. Sue, and sue, that is under. You can see the picture as well. Sue. So sur, on, sous, under. Devant, 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 and that's in front of, devant. Derrière, 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 and that is at the back of or behind, derrière. Well, the next one is au centre de, au centre de, and that's in the center of. You can see the picture as well. Au centre de, in the center of. The next one is à côté de, à côté de, à côté de, and that's might be beside or you can say next to. À côté de, next to. Yes. À droite de, à droite de, and that is to the right of. Yes, to the right of, that is à droite de. Next one is, of course, the opposite of that, and that is à gauche de, à gauche de, and that is to the left of. À gauche de. Près de, près de, and that is nearby. Près de, nearby. And the opposite of this is loin de, loin de, and that is far from. That's right, far from, loin de. Oh yeah, the next one you can see the picture and that's above, and that is au-dessus, au-dessus de, and that is above. And then below, and that is au-dessous, au-dessous, that is below. So it's a little similar, you can see. Above is au-dessus de and below is au-dessous de. A little difference. Yes. Oh, there are some more. In, and that is dans, dans, and that's in. Inside, you can say. In, and that is dans. The next one is entre, 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 and that is in between. Yes, in between, and that's called entre. Well, there are certain prepositions which are also opposites, and it's good for learning. So let's see once again. Sur, sur, on, sous, under, right? These are opposite ones. The next one, devant, devant, and that's in front of. So what is opposite? Can you guess it? Yes, derrière, derrière, and that's behind. That's right. Près de, and that's nearby. Yes, can you guess it? What is the opposite of that? Oh, that's far off, and that is loin de. So you can see près de, loin de. The next one is à droite. À droite. And that's on the right hand side, on the right side. À droite. Of course, the opposite is on the left, and that is called à gauche de. À gauche de. That's to the left of. Yes. Well, now that's au-dessus de. Au-dessus de, above. And what's the opposite? It's here. Au-dessous de, and that's below. Au-dessus de, that's below. So these are all the opposites of the prepositions. When you learn it, it's very easy to understand when we know all the opposites of that. Yes. Well, that's all about the prepositions in French. I hope you understand all of them. In fact, we have certain other videos through which you can also learn French very easily and step by step in a very easy way, right? So till the coming up video, till the next video, thank you so much. Happy learning, easy French.